Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make slow motion videos on Videoleap. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Videoleap application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your credentials. Now, once you are logged into your account, you can tap on the plus icon to work on a new video or tap on projects to go back to your recent work. Now, once you are on the edit menu, you can simply tap on the video that you want to have in slow motion. You can see when you tap the video that the speed is ×1, which means it is in normal speed. In order to turn it into slow motion, you can simply scroll the various edit features towards the right and then tap on the speed option. Now, if you slide the slider towards the right, it will reduce the duration of the video, which means it will make it faster. But if you slide it towards the left, then it will make it much slower, which means this is where you want your slider to go. Now, if you just give it a play, you will see that the video has been turned into slow motion. You can follow this process with any amount of clip that you want within your video, and it will make it slow motion in no time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn your videos slow motion in Videoleap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.